When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Begin by focusing on your breath. Feel the cool air entering through your nose, filling your lungs with calmness. As you exhale, imagine all the day's tension and worries melting away. Breathe like this a few times, allowing your body to relax and prepare for this extraordinary journey. In this space, let your mind open up and connect with infinite possibilities. The wonders ahead await you, all beginning with a moment of peace, a clear intention, and trust in yourself. Let's begin this journey by bringing your full attention back to your body. Your body holds emotions, energy, and the pressures of life. Now, let's help it fully relax, so your mind can gently enter a deep state of tranquility. Start by focusing on your feet. Feel them pressing against the ground, carrying the weight of your day. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, imagine all the tension in your feet melting away. Your feet become lighter, more comfortable, as if sinking into a soft bed. Gradually, shift your attention to your calves and thighs. If you feel any tightness, visualize a warm wave of energy spreading through these areas. That warmth dissolves any fatigue, leaving your legs enveloped in a sense of relaxation and ease. Next, move your focus to your hips and abdomen. These areas often carry worry and stress. As you inhale, feel your abdomen expand, bringing peace. As you exhale, imagine all negative emotions and burdens dissolving. Let this part of your body become light, relaxed, and bathed in a warm, gentle glow. Now, bring your attention to your chest and heart. Listen to the steady rhythm of your heartbeat, sensing it as a bridge connecting you to life and peace. Allow each heartbeat to release lingering emotions, leaving this area calm and serene. Finally, focus on your shoulders and neck, places that often bear the weight of stress. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, picture all tension falling away, completely dissolving. Your shoulders feel lighter, as if freed from all burdens. When your entire body has relaxed, you'll feel a refreshing flow of energy moving through you. This is the moment to connect more deeply with your inner energy, the source of strength, peace, and infinite potential waiting to be unlocked. Imagine stepping into a vast, limitless space where time and boundaries cease to exist. Everything around you is bathed in a gentle, warm light. This is the infinite field of possibilities, where every dream, every intention, and every aspiration you have exists in its purest potential form, waiting for you to bring it to life. Look around and you'll see tiny stars twinkling like countless candles. Each star represents a possibility, a dream, or an intention that you can manifest. Some stars are nearby, shining brightly. Others are farther away, glowing softly. All of them are waiting for you to choose. Focus on one special star, the one that feels closest to your heart. It could represent your biggest dream or a secret wish. As you concentrate on this star, notice how it begins to shine even brighter, as if responding to your attention. Now, imagine a warm wave of energy flowing from this star toward you, surrounding your body. This energy carries the vibration of your dream, the desire you've chosen. Let this wave of energy seep into every cell, every vein, as if you're fully merging with your dream. In this moment, you realize that your dream is no longer distant. It has become a part of you, a part of the energy within you. Feel this harmony, knowing you are co-creating with the universe. Everything you need is already in place. You just need to open your heart to receive it. Stay in this space a little longer, embracing the connection between you and the infinite field of possibilities. This is where miracles begin. Now that you've deeply connected with the infinite field of possibilities, it's time to release your intention to the universe. Visualize your desire, clear and specific, transforming into a glowing sphere of warm, radiant light at the center of your heart. This glowing sphere holds all your deepest wishes and dreams. Allow its light to expand, filling your entire body with the energy of trust and hope. With every heartbeat, imagine sending a powerful message. I am ready to receive this miracle. Now, picture yourself gently lifting this glowing sphere and offering it to the infinite field of possibilities. Watch as the sphere slowly rises, blending into the vast space around you, where the universe lovingly receives it with warmth and compassion. Feel a sense of gratitude washing over you, a gratitude for the chance to dream, to send your wishes, and to trust that all good things are on their way to you. As you prepare to return, focus once more on your breath. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, let your gratitude radiate outward. Know that you've done everything necessary. Now, all that's left is to relax, live fully, and trust in the universe's miraculous process. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying a light and hopeful heart with you. Live with an open heart, and the universe will bring you unexpected miracles.